Toyota truck and SUV prices have skyrocketed recently. And while the obvious reason for that is the new current generation Toyotas like the Tundra,
a new Toyota costs more than it ever has. The base 4Runner is pushing $45,000.
Now though, we know how much this thing is going to cost.
A new Tacoma TRD Off-Road is $47,000 before dealer markup. A new Land Cruiser starts at $57,000 and climbs from there. Meanwhile, the used market has specific Toyota models that are not just cheaper, they are genuinely better than their current replacements. Better engines, better simplicity, better long-term cost of ownership by a margin that is not close. 10 of them, with the specific years, the specific reasons, and the one thing to check on each before you buy. Model 1, the 4th generation 4Runner. The current 5th generation 4Runner has been in production since 2010, but the 4th generation had something the 5th generation does not, a V8 option. The 4.7-liter 2UZ FE was available in Sport Edition in limited trims. The same engine went into Land Cruisers, Sequoias, and Lexus LX470s, with documented examples past 300,000 miles on original internals. The V6 4th Gen runs the 1GR FE, same engine we covered in video 1, same numbers, same record. The difference is price. A clean 2006 4Runner V8 runs $15,000 to $22,000. A new 4Runner with a V6 starts at $40,000. 3 things to know about the V8 specifically. First, it uses a timing belt, not a chain. Replacement is due at 90,000 miles. Budget for it, and you will have no surprises. Second, a cracked exhaust manifold is a known issue on V8 models. It produces a ticking sound on cold starts that disappears when the engine warms up. Not a catastrophic failure, a common repair with a documented fix. Third, the air injection pump on 2005 and later V8 models can fail and trigger a check engine light. Inexpensive to address. Ask the seller about all 3 before you buy. For the V6 models, check rear differential fluid and transfer case fluid. Dark brown or black fluid that smells burnt is the indicator that the previous owner treated this as a purely on-road vehicle. Model 2, the 2nd generation Tacoma, 2005 through 2015. The 3rd generation Tacoma launched in 2016 with a new 3.5-liter V6, more power on paper. Toyota issued Technical Service Bulletin T/SB0124-20, specifically addressing a documented vibration on deceleration between 10 and 30 miles per hour on 2016 through 2023 models with the 6-speed automatic. The bulletin acknowledges the issue. Multiple repair attempts have produced inconsistent results for owners. The 2nd gen Tacoma runs the 1GR FE or the 2TR FE, 4-cylinder. The 1GR is the engine we already know. The 2TR has its own documented oil consumption tendency on 2010 to 2013 production, head gasket sensitivity at high mileage, but at 2nd gen Tacoma prices, you are buying a proven quantity. The frame rust issue on pre-2016 Tacomas is real and documented. Toyota extended warranty coverage on affected vehicles. Before buying any 2nd gen Tacoma, get under the truck with a light and look directly at the frame rails. Surface rust is normal. Structural rust, flaking, pitting, holes is a different conversation. Model 3, the 100 Series Land Cruiser, 1998 through 2007. The current Land Cruiser starts at $57,000 with twin turbocharged V6 and air suspension. The 100 series runs the 2UZ FE V8. Simple, proven, the same engine in multiple Toyota and Lexus trucks, documenting 400,000 miles without engine work. The 100 series also has a legitimate transfer case with low range, locking differentials on higher trim levels, and body-on-frame construction proven across some of the harshest operating environments on Earth. A clean 100 series Land Cruiser runs $25,000 to $40,000. What to check? rear air suspension on higher trim levels. Some 100 series were equipped with rear airbags that are now over 20 years old. Listen for the compressor running excessively and check for ride height differences side to side. Model 4, the Lexus GX470. The GX470 is a Land Cruiser Prado platform in a Lexus suit. Same 2UZ-FE V8, same transfer case architecture, same engine record. Prices have moved up as the market figured this out. A clean example now runs $25,000 to $38,000. That gap will keep closing. One known issue: the rear differential pinion seal on high mileage examples is prone to leaking. Check for oil residue on the rear differential housing before buying. Budget $300 to $500 for the repair if it has not been done. Model 5, the 7th generation Camry, 2012 through 2017. This is the generation after Toyota fixed the 2AZ-FE oil consumption problem from Video 1. The 2012 and later Camry switched to the 2AR-FE with the corrected ring tolerances. The V6 models run the 2GR-FE with the 20-year above-average reliability record.
A clean 2014 Camry XSE V6 runs $14,000 to $18,000. A new Camry starts at $28,000. The 2AR-FE and 2GR-FE are not going to surprise you at 150,000 miles. What to check? CVT fluid history on 4-cylinder models. Same principle as the automatic. The cars reaching 200,000 miles had it changed regularly regardless of what the schedule says. Model 6, the FJ Cruiser, 2006 through 2014. Toyota discontinued the FJ Cruiser in 2014 and has not replaced it. A well-maintained example now regularly sells for $25,000 to $35,000, more than some examples sold for new. The 1GR-FE and a platform genuinely overbuilt for its segment. For someone who actually wants to use it off-road, it is a better buy than almost anything new at the price. The one structural issue worth knowing: the C-pillar design creates a significant rear blind spot. Every FJ owner knows this. It is not a mechanical problem, it is a design choice that makes reversing without a camera genuinely difficult. Factor it in before you buy. Model 7, the 2nd generation Sequoia, 2008 through 2021. The 3UR-FE V8. The engine ranked #1 in the IC Cars study of 174 million vehicles. The new 3rd generation switched to a twin turbocharged V6 hybrid in 2022. More power, better fuel economy, unknown long-term reliability because the data does not exist yet. A clean 2017 Sequoia Limited runs $35,000 to $45,000. A new Sequoia starts at $58,000. The proven engine record versus the unproven one for $13,000 to $23,000 less.
What to check on 2008 to 2010 models. The secondary air injection pump, a known fault that triggers a check engine light on cold starts. The pump is $200 to $400. If the seller mentions a check engine light in the morning that clears after driving, that is almost certainly the cause. Model 8, the 3rd generation Prius, 2010 through 2015. The hybrid battery anxiety around used Prius ownership is mostly mythology at this point. Toyota uses nickel metal hydride chemistry in this generation. It degrades slowly and predictably rather than failing suddenly. Multiple documented examples above 300,000 miles on original battery packs with normal range loss. A 3rd generation Prius in reasonable condition runs $12,000 to $18,000. For a daily commuter in a city, there is almost nothing that makes more financial sense. What to actually check: the inverter coolant pump, a small electric pump that circulates coolant through the power electronics. It runs on its own circuit and fails silently. Replacement is $200 to $400, parts and labor. If it fails and the inverter overheats, the repair climbs to several $1,000s. Ask for service records specifically mentioning the inverter coolant pump on any high mileage example. Model 9, the 2nd generation Tundra, 2007 through 2021.
The same engine argument is the Sequoia, the 3UR FE V8 in a truck the full-size pickup buying market largely ignored because it is not American. A clean 2018 Tundra Crewmax runs $30,000 to $38,000. A new third-generation Tundra with the twin-turbo V6 starts at $38,000. Proven engine versus unproven engine at the same price. The known issue on second-gen Tundras: frame rust in northern states and road salt environments. Toyota extended the warranty and conducted frame inspections and replacements on the worst cases. Before buying any second-gen Tundra from a northern market, request the frame inspection documentation. If it was done and passed, the frame is solid. No record means get under the truck yourself. Model 10, the first-generation Lexus IS300, 2001 through 2005. The 2JZ GE, naturally aspirated version of the engine in the Supra, 215 horsepower from the factory. The same basic architecture as the 2JZ GTE that the tuning world has been making 1,000 horsepower from for 30 years. Naturally aspirated and effectively unstressed. Documented examples of IS300 with 300,000 miles on original engines are the expected outcome of a car maintained correctly and never pushed hard. A clean IS300 with documented history runs $10,000 to $16,000. Rear-wheel drive sports sedan with an engine that will outlast the body. What to check? The 5-speed automatic has documented sensitivity to fluid neglect at high mileage. Look at the fluid, ask for records, do a drain and fill before driving it hard if the history is unknown. 10 vehicles, all cheaper than their current equivalents, most of them better in the ways that actually matter for longevity. The thread connecting them all? Toyota's best engineering happened in specific windows, with specific engines on platforms built before cost reduction became the primary design objective. Those windows are documented. The vehicles are on the used market right now. Subscribe to Yota Uncovered. New video every week. I'm Name. See you next time.